When we are working with the video refereeing system, it is possible to create marks during sporting events. These marks are called events. Event names, or keys, vary depending on the chosen sport. For example, in the Slow-Mo Launcher app, select the sport, football. Open the Event Key Settings menu. In this example, the keys names look like it's shown on the screen. Select the other sport, hockey. Open the Event Key Settings menu. As you can see on the screen, the keys names are different. Keys names can be changed if necessary. Change the key name with number 13. Enter the name, operator. Keys can also be created using referee buttons. The colors and functions of the buttons are configured in the highlighted area. Operator events are created using the Control VR control panel. If necessary, the operator event key can be changed in the highlighted area. Select from the drop-down list. Save the settings. Configure the Control VR control panel. The IP address has already been entered. Check the connection. The video refereeing system also receives data from the scoreboard controller. Events are automatically created when the game clock is paused, during other game moments, and every 10 minutes of the match. Check the scoreboard controller connection. Open the Summary tab. Save the project. Launch the project. Wait for the project to launch. This may take some time, depending on the complexity of the project configuration. After the project has launched, start the recording of the project. Press the Shift, Control, Alt, and Mark buttons combination. In the live mode, pressing the Mark button creates operator events. The event records the time of its creation from the live field area. The time is also displayed in the output window. We can also create events in search mode or in replay mode. Press the Mark button. The time from the search field area will be added to this event. In addition to the creation time, the following parameters are also recorded in the event. The name of the event. To change the name, enter a new name in the highlighted area using the keyboard. Double-click the right mouse button on the required event. The name is changed. The following parameters are received from the scoreboard controller. Period number. Game time. Game score. Each event can also contain an event key. Keys can be added or deleted. Select an event. Press Alt and 13 buttons. The operator key will be deleted. Add another key. Press Alt and 5 buttons. Number 5 key will be added. Events can have multiple keys. Keys are added using the buttons on the control panel or by selecting from the key list. Select the key number 4. 2 keys will be added to the selected event. We can navigate through events using the buttons on the control panel. Forward, down the list. Backward, up the list. Fast navigation is performed by holding down the Shift button. Shift and forward, down 10 events. Shift and backward, up 10 events. Press the play button to start playback. Press the stop button to stop playback. While working in search mode, you can create new events. Press the Mark button. The event will be added to the list based on its creation time. You can also create events in live mode while viewing a recording. Press the Shift and Mark buttons together. The event will be added to the end of the list. Continue working in search mode. Events can be deleted from the list. Select an event. Press the mark and 15 buttons together. The event list position will move to the next event after the deleted one. You can sort events by keys. Press the search button. Select key 13, since most events are created using the control panel. And an additional key. For example, key number 1. Now, when you press the forward and backward buttons, navigation will only occur through events with the selected keys. Before exiting the sorting mode, remove the selection of the keys. Press the 13 and 1 buttons again. To exit the sorting mode, press the mode button. Stop the recording. Press the Shift, Control, Alt, and Stop buttons.